Now we can look how to put on a chain. We have here a Shimano XTR for 11 speed. We have here a 11 speed cassette. First, be careful when choosing a chain. We choose a chain according to the number of wheels on the rear cassette. We have here 11 speed and chain must be same 11 speed. Now look what is inside. This is a chain with quick link. And this quick link is same for 11 speed. We put it on the smallest chainring at the front and the back at the heaviest gear. This. Now throughout the list. This way, but be careful here, the chain must go above the clutch, and this way. We have here this wire, is better for measurement, like this. The chain must be above 2 centimeters below the bottom pulley, like this. Now cut it to right length. Now install a quick link. And it's ready to drive.